Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Today on 500 Flights and Counting, we're going to be doing a review of the interior and exterior of the house. Well, this turned out to be a review day. There were no workers on the site, so they gave me the opportunity to try and document the progress of everything. Here we are. We're in the dining room. Now, we're going into the pantry. Next is the family room. As time goes by, these shots will be continued so that the progress can be shown. Now, we're at the back of the rear of the property. Look closely at the supports. Some of the shots of the supports being installed will be seen in the coming days. I was getting frustrated in not being able to capture everything, and even though I stated that I'd be happy with what I could get, the amount of work being finished was so great that I really thought that I'd missed some opportunities for some really pretty cool shots. It was my misunderstanding of how a home was built. It was still time for a lot of work to be completed. So from different vantage points, I was trying to find locations for future shots. It was becoming apparent from the setting of the waypoints of the drone flights that I needed to do the same for the interior shots. I also had access to areas that I was not going to have in the future, and there was some access that I was going to get when the rear deck was completed. Well, here is the upstairs hallway, the front upstairs bedroom, the staircase landing looking down at the second level, the upstairs hallway, the master bedroom, and finally, the left side of the home. I hope you enjoy what you're seeing today. Please subscribe and share. The tip of the day is always carry multiple batteries out for an operation. Why? Because one battery is never enough.